Supposedly quality manufacturer. The engine is a licensed De Dion copy, which they improved.
Yeah.
From 2 3/4 to 8 horsepower, which is some way.
Can you see the motor, or do you have to get under it?
Yeah. The top of it is right there.
Oh, that's not bad.
Coolant. Flush it out with kerosene every so often. Loosen, swivel that away. You got atmospheric intake valve here, spark plug, and an actual mechanically operated exhaust valve down below. Kind of both in line, one above the other.
Wow. And you got a tool.
It's just to open the bodywork. And
Okay.
we don't know what this is.
Oh, just a breather vent for the
Yeah. Probably
for the
crankcase.
crankcase. Yeah. Is it a? It's not a total loss oil system, is it?
I'm afraid it looks like it is.
Nearly.
This was the radiator on the cars for the very few years.
Oh.
The coolant tank.
Oh.
They say it's good for 40 miles. Make sure you fill it up before every trip.
Oh, total loss coolant.
I have hoops down the middle of it. And air sucks in here. The carburetor is connected up to the middle of it, so the carburetor sucks cool air in through the copper tubes. So it helps vaporization. It helps cool down the. See, they were thinking system-wide. However, evidently it proved inadequate.
How many trips to Brighton has it made?
I think at least 6.
6 trips to Brighton. Good grief.
Evidently it proved inadequate because they ran coolant lines all the way up and they've got a square fin tube radiator there. This is what makes it a Stanhope. Hop up there. Put your foot on the plate. Oh, I meant in the front. Ella, you can call up in the front. Put your foot on the plate, grab it on there.
It's nice and mounty.
You can extend your legs right out here.
Comfortable.
Very.
Just safe.
Yeah.
This has been repaired many times, but you just squeeze those catches and drop the bottom out of it, and then you can adjust or clean the wick. And how does this work? Then you can take the wick assembly out of it and put your kerosene in there. Do that in the house. Your help probably does that in the house. And then you bring it out and you put it back on the car. That's where the taillight would have been. He's trying to get.
Yeah.
Right around holds the exhaust valve.
Wow.
Maybe on our time, it's right.
How you doing, sir?
Want me to get the compression release?